Aren't these pretty? You know you want to make them. Yes, you do. These were so much fun. Okay, so I started off matte and then I changed my mind at the end, as you can tell by the picture, and made them glossy, but you could absolutely leave these matte if you wanted to. What I am doing is using a Maniology plate, and we're going to do double snowflake stamping. Ha! This is fun. So the first set of snowflakes I'm going to use, you can see, is just like a sheet of snowflakes almost. And I'm going to stamp these across most, if not all of the nails. Let me just look because I have them in front of me. Okay, I'm going to do this across, it looks like 3 of the nails. I forgot what I did there. It's been a while since I recorded this video. Okay, so we're going to stamp those with Maniology. It's a sheer, sparkly, like color shift. I forget the name of it. I should probably look it up. If I look it up, I'll put it in the video. So I'm going to stamp with that first across 3 of the nails, and then we're going to use some silver. I believe it's pewter that I use from Maniology to do the stamps on the snowflake stamping. And then we're also going to do some jewels as well on this. So my videos got a little messed up around this time when I was doing these videos. So I apologize if I don't have all of the individual parts of the nail on there, as far as like the actual, I'm going to go diagonal with this one, by the way, as far as like the actual individual steps for the nail paint. For some reason, I don't know, my camera was being funny when I was doing this, and I lost, if you watched one of my other snow videos, I lost some of the footage on that one, and I don't know why. I don't know what happened, but it just happened, so it's fine. We'll go with it. I'm a very go with the flow kind of person. We gotta just go with it, because that's how we roll. So I've got this stamped across 2 nails now. I'm going to do it across 1 more, I believe. And then we're going to actually be double layering. So we're going to stamp over the stamp so that you're just seeing a little bit of this in the background. And then you'll see the rest of it over the top once we get it done. So there it is. Wasn't I nice? I brought it up here. So Expedition Pearl. And is that pewter? Pewter. There we go. Yes, I thought that it was, I said silver, I think. So pewter. Which it is a silver. It's just like it's a little deeper silver. So I am using the Clear Jelly Stamper it's a multi snowflake plate. I love it because you can layer. You can do individuals. They're small, medium, and large on here. And they're all different types. So you can really go bananas if you want. On this nail, I'm going to do just a half snowflake. I use the stilettos for these as well. I don't use stilettos all that often because I don't do stilettos all that often, but I do think they're really beautiful. I wish I could wear them on myself, but I feel like I'd stab myself all day long because I'm just too clumsy for that. But yay you if you can wear them. I think they're beautiful. There's a grace to them that I really enjoy. All right, so we're going to then go up in the corner and stamp another, just like a corner snowflake on that one. And then I'm going to bring down and do a couple of other little snowflakes in a line. This is another one that we're going to do 3/4 of the way up the nail. And it's kind of almost looks like a starburst. It's like a starburst snowflake. It's really fun. And we are going to be adding some gemstones to a bunch of these. And on the pinky nail, I'm just going to do a couple of snowflakes kind of running down the side of it. So 3 different snowflakes, 3 different sizes. All right, so I switched gears. That's right. I forgot I stopped. I don't know why I stopped midway to decide that I was going to put gemstones, but I stopped midway and decided I was going to do a whole nail of gemstones, and that's what I did. So I'll show you what I did. I did pick up the speed on this a little bit, so it is faster than I actually applied them because it does take a while, and I think I went off screen for part of it, so I may have shortened this part of the video because nobody wants to watch an off-screen set of hands doing stuff. So I used a metal element first. I used the circle. I've got gem glue going on right now, just so you're aware. So I am using a gem glue this time. And look, I got a picker. I got a picker, but it's still not helping me. Ha! I'm still being clumsy with gemstones. You know, whatever. I'm going to put a clear one in the center, and then we're going to use sapphire blue on either side, and we're going to be using some caviar beads and some silver rhinestones as well. It comes out gorgeous and really picks up on the blue that is the background. Was that Frosty Pearl? Something Pearl? Expedition Pearl. There we go. And the caviar beads really tie in that metal piece that I used in the middle, which is excellent. Yeah, you know me. I'm going to chase some of these around. I did use different sizes. So there's like a large one in the center, then a medium, and then taper to a small on either side. That gives it a nice effect. And it really comes out looking almost like a piece of jewelry on your nail instead of just rhinestones hanging out there. The caviar beads, what they do is they create the look of having prongs. I was trying to find the word there. Sorry. They create the look of having prongs on the design. So it looks almost like a ring. If you look at a ring, I have one that's a channel set sapphire, which you probably see sometimes on the video. And it gives it that kind of a look where it looks like it's actually a piece of jewelry set in stone. So I really love the look. However, it does take a long time to do that. You get faster at it. I have gotten faster at it as I've been working along. But it does take time to do. So just be aware of that. That one is now cooking in the oven, so to speak. And while that one is cooking in the oven, I'm just going to add some other crystals to the other snowflakes that are on here. So we're going to add crystals to the largest snowflakes, not all of them, because I think that would be overpowering. So we're going to add one at the bottom here. We'll add one to the center of that other. Yeah, right there. That one. And then eventually we're going to add one more on the starburst crystal. I mean, that starburst snowflake. I do have that other one back out of the light again. I think this is where I go off screen. So I did put a picture in to show you. Yep, see, I'm off screen there. I'm almost done at this point. So I cut out that part of the video because I was off screen for most of that, and I apologize. But you're just laying them in rows and then putting the caviar beads in between, and that's what it looks like when it's done. That's a really, really close-up look at what it looks like. But hopefully that helps you understand what I was doing at the time. Okay, that one is back in the oven cooking again. Not really the oven, the nail light. You know. I'm still, for some reason, arranging my nails in a funny way. I did that in a couple other videos too. I'm like, I don't know what's going on here. I am deciding on what I'm going to do with those last two nails, and I did eventually decide to put a starburst on one and then put another, like I said, a small string of medium and small snowflakes on that third one. I'm just trying to straighten out that nail. And that's it. We're done. We're going to top coat these so that the holographic black shows up a little bit better, because it was a holographic black gel polish by Madame Glam, by the way, that I used as the background. And these are them done. I think they are absolutely stunning. I apologize for the slightly jumpy video. And I will see you next time.